Over 40? Don't ignore this. Blend half a cup of oats, a handful of almonds, one banana, and a glass of milk. That's it. This simple shake is packed with nutrients that support healthy bones and muscles, provide lasting energy, and help you start your day feeling your best. Try it for a week and thank yourself later. God bless you all. If you're worried about your joints, listen to this. Mix 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, a pinch of turmeric, a little honey, and the juice of 1 orange into a cup of hot water. This simple drink is becoming popular among people looking to support their joints, skin, hair, and nails naturally. Easy to make, refreshing to drink, and packed with nutrients. Save this recipe before you forget it. Drink this simple chia, ginger, lime, and honey water for 7 days. You may notice less bloating, smoother digestion, better bowel movements, and improved hydration. It's not a miracle weight loss drink, but it can be a healthy addition to your daily routine. Try it and see how your body feels. Few people know this, but this simple drink may support digestion and reduce bloating. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of honey in a cup of water. Drink daily as part of a healthy lifestyle and enjoy a refreshing wellness boost.